have an Excel spreadsheet. Oh, Andrea, you can't go wrong by starting off a question with that. There are duplicate names with different phone numbers. I want to remove the duplicate names while still saving all the contact info. What method do you recommend? Yeah, I'm really glad that you've spotted that. And I can tell you right now, the remove duplicates feature, as you probably know, will not help you because of the different phone numbers. If it's just a list with duplicate names, really all you have to do is click on the list, data, remove duplicates, and you're done. In this case though, what I would recommend is a formula. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open up a brand new Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to share my screen with you. And I'm going to show you an answer. And you know what? I don't know if I can do that in Facebook Live. I'm not sure I can do that. Let me check quickly, but I can always describe it to you, and you can. Now, if I were streaming this through Zoom, I could, but I don't see a button to allow me to do that right now. So I'll describe it to you. In essence, you want to create what's called a helper column, and what you want to do is use an if function. So if you're only looking at 2 phone numbers, for example, 2 lines, 2 phone numbers, create a third column with an if function that says if the name in that row is the same as the name above, then take the phone number. Otherwise, leave it blank. And blank in Excel is 2 double quotes with no spaces in between. So I'm going to write that. For example, let's say column A has all the names, equals if A, let's say you're in row number 2. If A2 equals A1, then let's have B2. And let's say B2 has, column B has the phone numbers in it. That's what you would put in column C, Andrea. So what that gives you is, in essence, that gives you the phone number, that gives you the second phone number. Hold on a second. Equals A2. Let me modify that. Hold on. Equals, you want it actually in the first line. So I'm going to change that. Let's say we're in row 1. I'm going to say if A1 equals A2, then, yeah. It's the formula that I typed, but you have, right. It's the formula that I typed. And what that gives you is, all in one line, name, phone number 1, phone number 2. Let me know if that works. Let me know if that doesn't work, and we can always do a little tweaking.